Hi, and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plants, Food for Longevity series, where we uncover the secret to health from plants. And today's nugget is flaxseed. This is also known as linseed seed. These are seeds that come from the flax plant. So the flaxseed comes either all ground in powder form or in oil form. You have the flax oil, and the one I have here is the powder form, the ground flaxseed. If I can bring it to the camera, so they are like browny kind of seeds, and they are packed in nutrients similar to chia seed. So let's go through the benefits and the drawbacks of flaxseed, and we'll talk about the uses afterwards. The first benefit is that it's very rich in omega-3 fatty acid, is high in alpha-linoleic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that supports heart and reduces inflammation. So this is a good one that can help us make our heart to be healthy. The second benefit about flaxseed is that it's excellent source of fiber. Similar to chia seed, it promotes regular bowel movement and supports gut health. It's known that about 2 tablespoons would have about 6 grams of fiber, mostly soluble, some insoluble fiber in it. Another benefit of flaxseed is that it's very rich in protein. So this is a go-to for vegans if you are a vegan or vegetarian. So if you are vegetarian or vegan, flaxseed is a seed that would help you increase your protein intake. Usually 1 tablespoon, that's 2 teaspoons, will have about 2 grams of protein in it. Then flaxseed helps with weight management. The fiber expands in the gut, increasing satiety and reducing appetite, similar to chia seed. So this also balances hormones, especially in women. It's rich in lignans and phytogens that may help balance estrogen level and support hormone-related conditions like PMS or menopause symptoms. So this is quite good for women, midlife age women, especially people like me that's just going through menopause. So flaxseed is a very good seed to add to our diet. Flaxseed also supports blood sugar control. The fiber slows digestion, helping regulate blood sugar level, especially helpful for type 2 diabetes. Then it's also very good for heart benefit. It reduces bad cholesterol, the LDL, and may also lower blood pressure slightly over time. So having said all of the good things about flaxseed, now let's quickly go through the drawbacks and side effects of flaxseed. The first one is that it must be ground to be absorbed. All flaxseed pass through undigested. Grind them fresh for full benefit. So this is a very, very important one. The flaxseed, like I've shown you earlier on, must be ground because they don't break down. The stomach, they don't break them down. So it's best to have them ground rather than whole. So the whole one can be ground. Maybe use your peppercorn grinder or something, or just buy them like this one. I bought it from a supermarket here in the UK. It was already in powder state, so it's the best form to buy, or you can have the oil as well. Also, it can cause digestive issues. Too much at once can lead to gas, bloating, or diarrhea, especially if you are not used to high fiber. Then hormonal sensitivity, because flaxseed contains lignans, the phytoestrogens, it may not be suitable for those who have hormone sensitive conditions like estrogen positive breast cancer. Always consult your doctor if you're unsure. So that's a warning for those people who are sensitive to hormones. If you have maybe any tumors, you should stay away from flaxseed, or at least talk to your doctor or your herbal practitioner before embarking on such remedy in your diet. Also, flaxseed can interact with medications. Usually people on blood pressure, blood sugar, and blood thinners want to stay away from herbal remedies unless you have been advised by your doctor or herbal practitioner and they have said it's okay or safe for you to consume. Finally, there is caution in pregnancy and breastfeeding. So some sources recommend avoiding large quantities during pregnancy due to hormonal effects. Those small amounts are generally considered safe. So if you are pregnant, stay away from flaxseed in large quantities, just like any other herbal remedy. So how do we use flaxseed? Similar to other seeds like chia seed, pumpkin seed, add it to your salad, add it to your yogurt, add it to your morning cereal, add it to your oatmeal. So basically what I do is to add half a teaspoon or a teaspoon maximum of flaxseed and chia seed on pumpkin seed, a mixture of 3 or 1 or 2 into my morning cereal, like whole grain Weetabix or shredded wheat. I'll drop in a few of the seed into my cereal. This can also be added to baked goods like muffins, cakes, bread. It can also be used as an alternative, a substitute for egg in your baking goods, the same way we use chia seed. Add a little bit of water to 1 tablespoon, and that will give you 1 egg equivalent in your baking, maybe muffin, biscuit, cookies, whatever it is you need to cook and you can't handle eggs. So you can use this as an alternative for egg. Also, you can use flaxseed as an alternative for meat. Maybe you are making pies and you need meat or chicken in them. You can use this. Just mix it with a little bit of water and use it in replacement of meat in your recipe. So flaxseed generally is a wonder superfood, a seed that we can consume for omega-3 to help us have a healthy heart and also promote our digestive system. Good bacteria, good gut health is very, very important to longevity as well. So that's it for today on flaxseed, a superfood that we can add to our diet for improved health, heart health, gut health, and longevity. So if you're enjoying this series on wisdom from plants and nature, health secrets that we can gain from nature itself, then subscribe to my channel for more videos to come your way, and also share with friends and family so they also can benefit from the good nutrients that we can obtain from plants for healthy living. So like, comment, let me know your own superfood, the things you are trying. If you are new in the journey of herbal remedies, drop a comment and let me know. I hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.